while I whip this out.
Throttle warning. Switch warning.
Hashtag never say last time.
Landing mode on.
If I can right now, I'm just gonna be real with you, if that's alright. No hypertension, no exhausted raps, none of that. I'm just gonna talk. There's this song in my head that I keep on repeat. It seems to seal fates and trap in dreams. It sleeps under the mattress with factions of demons attack for no reason. And without speaking, they just like to make it difficult to keep breathing. As if the daily struggle ain't enough for most of us. Vices got us caught in tighten vices by the throat. I just wanna float, but apparently I ain't got the license to fly this vessel. Flesh covered in wounds that healed over the meadow. Seal up the meadow, don't let it get up to their heads though. If it does, they'll feel better if they get to put a label on the kendo. So, make them feel powerful, make them feel special. Make the 9-to-5 job feel successful. Give them something new when the feeling's stressful. Cause there's something unattractive in busting tables and cleaning up the restroom. Everyone could breathe easy if there was just room, but there's not, so you sink your teeth into the TV. And you get to thinking, what if that was me? Or you get to thinking, thank God it's not me. But all these flat screen interactions are just high definition distractions. Get you feeling like the day can just be without passion. Kick your feet up in the madness for relaxing. Bare arms with remotes, no guns for actions. They want submissive and passive, not inquisitive and active. Cause a nuke makes a nation, but a pistol makes you dangerous. I said a statement makes a nation, but a question makes you dangerous. Why?
I'm simply saying that more and more we've got to begin to ask questions about the whole society. We are called upon to help the discouraged beggars in life's marketplace. But one day we must come to see that an edifice which produces beggars needs restructuring. It means that questions must be raised.
And they know that, but anyway, patience is a virtue. But in the end, the angst from the waiting is the little thing that hurts you. So get to know the difference in waiting and waiting for the right times. I've got a friend who doesn't like rap cause it rhymes, right? But rhythmic poetry is all that ever spoke to me. It's funny just how different we can be. But I can understand his dislike, so maybe he can understand why I write. Yeah, a song can take so many turns in a night. It shows what's on your mind, and it's how we get it right. I started this one with the goal in mind. Nothing like a golden mine, write a golden line. It was simple, rap like any aggression will leave you with a broken mic. I've written a lot, but never spoke it light. So polite and chill, open like and real without a potion or a pill. This is just how I feel. Openly reveal, openly reveal. This is just how I feel. Openly revealed. Welcome to it. This is me. How are you? There's a song in my head that I keep on repeat. Tears fall from the skies to piano keys and play melodies as the drum pattern beats, and it keeps me at ease. There's a song in my head that I keep on repeat. Tears fall from the skies to piano keys and play melodies as the drum pattern beats, and it keeps me at ease. There's a song in my head that I keep on repeat. Tears fall from the skies to piano keys and play melodies as the drum pattern beats, and it keeps me at ease. is. A lot of people feel like music is just another way to escape, but I feel like it's just another way to believe that there is goodness in the world. There is, and it's you, and it's me.
And I don't mean to hurt you, but that's what you are doing. And I don't mean to let you down. Yeah. And I don't mean to hurt you, but that's what you are doing. And I don't mean to let you down. And I don't mean, and I don't mean, and I don't mean, I miss the flight. I have to go.